Arunachal Pradesh from 20th January 2022 to 20th February 2022. So the state government has constituted a celebration committee under the chairmanship of our Honorable Speaker, and the committee members are Shri Taba Kadir, Honorable Minister Cultural Affairs, Shri Nyamar Karbak, Honorable Advisor to Home Minister, Shri Zignu Namchum, Honorable MLA, Dr. Tamor Tapak, Advisor to Honorable Chief Minister, and the State Protocol Officer as a Member Secretary. Then the committee thereafter have been given the power to incorporate or constitute a subcommittee for celebration of the 50 years of Golden Jubilee for Arunachal Pradesh. Accordingly, Honorable Speaker cum Chairman of the committee has constituted following subcommittees with chairmen to suggest and implement the celebration all across the state. So we have the subcommittee for literary and sports headed by Shri Taba Kadir, Honorable Minister. Subcommittee for inaugural ceremony at Zero headed by Honorable Minister Shri Tagetaki. The subcommittee for cultural activities headed by Shri Nyamar Karbak, Honorable MLA. The subcommittee for public relations headed by Chow Zignu Namchum, Honorable MLA. The subcommittee for valedictory ceremony to be headed by Honorable Speaker. The subcommittee for political history to be headed by Shri Tamar Tapak, Advisor to Honorable Chief Minister. And the subcommittee for publication protocol to be headed by Secretary General Administration. And subcommittee for multimedia, theatre, etc. to be headed by Shri Dani Saru, Secretary, Transport. So this is a brief on how the celebration would commence. And I would now like to request our Honorable Speaker and Chairman of the Celebration Committee to please unveil the celebration logo.
So the government has decided that we will celebrate the entire, the celebration will be for a month-long celebration, which was decided by the government. So like already briefed, we have a committee who will be part of the celebration. So as Madam has already briefed about the committee, so I'd just like to tell you how it all was conceived. As the country is celebrating 75 years, Amrit Mahotsav. So in the same line, but it's not clubbed up together. You should not get confused. It's a totally separate celebration. Since Arunachal is attaining Golden Jubilee, the government said we will celebrate it for one full month. That will be like on 20th of January. Why 20th of January? Because 20th of January 1972, Arunachal attained its UT status, and the Arunachal Pradesh name was given to Arunachal Pradesh, and that was done at Zero. So we have decided to do the inaugural in Zero, and the whole celebration will culminate on the Statehood Day, that's on 20th February, which we will do it here. So entire month celebration, the committee has decided that since it's commemorating 50 years of Arunachal Pradesh, the celebration should be done across the state and even outside the state. And since our, if you have seen the logo, the whole the tagline and the theme of the celebration is celebrating past and nurturing future. So keeping in that mind, so we will be celebrating all the in all the erstwhile districts. That's like Kameng, Siang, Lohit, Tirap, and Subansiri. So the celebration will happen in the erstwhile district headquarters. For example, if it's Siang, it will be organized in Along, which was the then headquarter of the erstwhile Siang district. Likewise, if it's Lohit, that it will be Tezu. So we have decided that we will have a lot of activities, like the subcommittees have been formed, like literary committee is there, then culture committee is there, then we have indigenous sports are being kind of showcased, so that to see the rich culture heritage and the rich cultural tradition what we have in our Arunachal Pradesh. And we were thinking of doing it outside the state, because the celebration, when we are doing it here, the whole country also should know that the Arunachal has attained 50 years of its naming and self-governance state. So this is the whole thing. And like I said, since we have many committees, and on my left is Shri Nyamar Karbak, advisor to Home and Excise, and on my right is Shri Chao Jignu Namchum. They are also heading the committees. And today Shri Tawa Tadir, minister, could not attend the meeting because he has some prior engagement. But we are all working in tandem, and we are regularly meeting. And we have created a committee secretariat, which will be looking after the entire celebration of this 1 month long. And at the same time, when we talk about reliving our past, so I want to make an appeal through the media. जैसे कि हमारा जैसे बोल रहे कि पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ पीपल इन द कम्युनिटी आर्काइव प्रोजेक्ट, जैसे हमारा पास आर्काइव्स में भी बहुत सारा पुराना फोटोग्राफ्स है, वीडियोस है, डॉक्यूमेंट्स है. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि किसी लोगों के पास ऐसा पुराना पिक्चर्स होंगे या कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स होगा, है ना, विच विल टेल ए स्टोरी अबाउट अरुणाचल प्रदेश. तो मेरा तरफ से यही रिक्वेस्ट होगा कि आप लोग भी इस चीज़ को हमारे कमिटी को दे, उनको हम लोग डिजिटाइज करेंगे, एंड विल रिटर्न द ओरिजिनल कॉपी एंड विल गिव यू अ डिजिटल कॉपी ऑल्सो. दैट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प अस इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग आवर ग्लोरियस पास्ट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश. तो ये मैं आपके मीडिया के थ्रू से एक मतलब लोगों को एक हमारे तरफ से एक रिक्वेस्ट है थ्रू द कमिटी, बिकॉज क्योंकि आर्काइव्स में कुछ ऐसा हो, मतलब जो चीज़ आपके पास है शायद आर्काइव्स में नहीं भी हो सकता है, एंड दैट विल बिकम काइंड ऑफ बिग आर्काइव्स के लिए हमारा एक कलेक्शंस भी हो जाएगा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के लिए, एंड लोगों तक ये जो हमारा रिच जो हमारा ट्रेडिशन है, जो हिस्ट्री है, लोगों तक भी पहुंचेगा. ये हमारा एक रिक्वेस्ट है बहुत आप लोगों से. एंड एट द सेम टाइम व्हेन वी से नर्चरिंग फ्यूचर, आई सेड apart from the developmental aspect and all, but our biggest resources are youth. So how to bring the youth into those who are still a little staggered from the this thing mainstream, and how to bring them back to the mainstream. That will be an effort from our side while we celebrate this golden jubilee.